Hello guys, for today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to fix vibration not working. So it may seem pretty obvious, but the very first thing you can try is to hold your power button and hit restart or reboot. And then if you restart your phone, this may fix your problem. If not, you can go to settings. And now that we're here, we go to sounds and vibration. And then just double check if your phone is muted here. If it is, you can put it on vibrate or you can put it on sound. If it's on sound, you want to check the sticker back that it says vibrate while ringing so that the phone will vibrate if you're getting a phone call. Now, if that doesn't work here, you just want to make sure that your not disturb on is turned on. Now, if that doesn't work, we can go back to settings and then go to system apps updater. And then you can hit download if it's not updated and install. This is just going to double check that your phone is up to date. Sometimes with certain updates, there will be glitches and sometimes update your phone will fix your vibration. Now, if none of that works, guys, it's likely not a software issue. It's likely it's a hardware issue. And to get your vibration problem resolved, you're going to have to your phone look by a technician or you're going to send it to your phone provider, whatever it is. But let me know if that works for you guys in the comment section below. So I hope it helped you out and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.